Awka, the Anambra state capital, is gradually coming back, but yet to give the vibe of a state capital. Today, guys, I want to take you to one of the most cleanest roads you can find in Awka within the three arm zones, and as well show you the direct links road that are still need to be touched, either reasphalting or total reconstruction. This is State Secretariat Road in Awka Anambra State. Out of all the road I'll be showing you today, this is one of the worst of them all. Though last 2 months or 4 months ago, this road was patched, and I can tell you when I returned back last week, the road has gone bad again, like it has returned to what it used to be before. So where I just showed you, if you follow it straight down, you will see the state secretariat house. So this road we are currently on is the access road to Emeka Anyoku Boulevard and down to the state secretariat where we are currently coming from. So if you watch closely on this access road, you can see how dirty it is. It is very dirty and it's not been taken care of. Sometimes I'll be wondering, is this the direct access road to the one of the most cleanest road we have in Awka? So it is very bad though. So within a short time we'll be arriving at the Emeka Anyoku Boulevard. Emeka Anyoku Boulevard is will either take you to Aroma Junction or take you back to the newly constructed government house. If you check out this road, you can see that bushes has covered the edge of the road also, not just sand. So I think the those in charge of this road cleanliness should start sweeping this area, not just the Emeka Anyoku Boulevard. They should also start sweeping around this area. And for that of State Secretariat Road, I think something should be done about it. If it is total reconstruction, they should done there. They should do it over there, because patching can't do anything on that road. If you check out around this area, this is the Emeka Anyoku Boulevard, and by my left hand side is the Alice Ekweme Square. The other one will take you down to the government house, while the frontage, which is this one, will take you down to the Aroma Junction. And this is also the closer view of the Alice Ekweme Square. If I turn around a bit, we'll be heading down to the government house, but we are not going to the government house today. We are just trying to show you the three arm zones. If you follow this road down, you will see the newly constructed government house. And like I said earlier, this is one of the most cleanest road we have so far. So from here we will head down to this axis again. This one will take us to the judiciary road, and also to House of Assembly road also, and we also have INEC office around this area. And at some point, if I make another turning, we'll be heading to NECO office and then the library around the Awka Express road. So if you check out this road, you can see that Emeka Anyoku Boulevard is more cleaner than this particular one. So I think they mostly take care of that Emeka Anyoku Boulevard than this other access road. So this access road and that of the other access road to State Secretariat is not being taken care of that much, but this particular one is even more better than the other access road. So you can see that it's not as dirty as the other one. At least looking at it, you will notice that they usually sweep it, even if it's not every day, but they usually sweep this place. So very soon we will get to the access road to the judiciary road and the House of Assembly road. The fence you are currently seeing is still Alice Ekweme Square that was recently renovated. Around they renovated the inside auditorium, and as well renovate the cenotaph area too. So for other axes, nothing has been done around there. They renovated the gate, the cenotaph, the auditorium axis, and then heading towards back where you have the abandoned swimming pool, and the volleyball court and the rest, or basketball courts rather. Nothing has been done around that particular place. So this is the access road to the Judiciary Road and the House of Assembly road. So you can see over there Judiciary Road, the other side is Assembly House of Assembly road or something like that. So this is the road, and this one is not even as clean as the one we are currently on too. So merely looking at everything, we notice that the attention is mostly focused on them, the Emeka Anyoku Boulevard area. So if you check around Anambra State, or let me just reduce it and say, out of all the road I've visited in Anambra State, one of the cleanest road, the most cleanest road you can find is that of Awka Road, the GRA road around the Onitsha shop right. And then when you come to Awka, this is another one. So for me, that is for me, the ones I've visited. So if you have any other one that is very, very clean, any other route in Anambra State that is very, very clean as this one, kindly drop them via my comment section, so we'll go and check it out. So for now, these two I mentioned are only the cleanest road I visited in Anambra State. So I think we have passed or still approaching the INEC office. So from there, when we take another U-turn, we still show you what the place is currently looking like, though the place is not as clean as this area. So you can see that the more we go down, the more dirty the road becomes. So they usually not been taken care of at all. They're usually not been taken care of, not at all, maybe for not often, but they do, maybe once in a while. But looking at it, we find out that the Emeka Anyoku Boulevard is more cleaner than all of them. So remember, the road we are touring is the 3 arm zones you can find in Awka. The 3 arm zones comprises of the judiciary, the government house, and the state secretariat axis that we are showing you. So we access all this road from the Aroma junction by the state secretariat road, because you can still access the Emeka Anyoku Boulevard from Aroma junction and still access the state secretariat from Aroma junction, but we access from the angle where we have the state secretariat road, the one closer to the Ifite road axis. That's where we access the road from, and we show you what the road is currently looking like, and also show you the access road to the Emeka Anyoku Boulevard, what is currently looking like. And we are currently on another access road to the Emeka Anyoku Boulevard, the judiciary and the House of Assembly road. So right now we are heading towards where we will take another turning to the Awka Express. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly do subscribe, click on the notification button to get notified each time we publish new videos. If you're a newcomer to our channel, welcome. You are highly welcome to this family. We usually cover government projects and as well show you some unknown location and the realizations area where you can go and have fun. It's mainly a travel channel. So kindly subscribe to the channel, click on the thumb up button, and then click on the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you guys. Continue with the rest of the video. Don't forget to give us your own take via the comment section.